In this video, we'll explain exactly what the 4 red blinks mean, why it happens, and what you can safely try at home before calling for repairs. Try these steps to fix your TV. Step 1. Power reset. The first thing you should try is a basic power reset. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and leave it disconnected for at least 1 to 2 minutes. This allows residual electricity inside the TV to fully discharge. After waiting, plug the TV directly into a wall outlet and try turning it on again. Step 2. Full reset. If the blinking continues, try a deeper reset. Unplug the TV from the power source, then press and hold the physical power button on the TV itself for about 30 seconds. This drains stored electrical charge from internal circuits. After that, wait another minute before plugging the TV back in. Many users report this method clears persistent blinking issues that a standard reset does not. Step 3. Check power source. Power problems are often overlooked. Try plugging the TV into a different wall outlet and avoid using surge protectors or extension cords during testing. A weak or unstable power source can cause the TV to shut down immediately during startup, triggering the 4-blink error. Even if other devices work fine on the same outlet, the TV may still be sensitive to voltage fluctuations. Step 4. Factory reset. If your TV briefly powers on or responds to buttons, a factory reset may help. This process restores the TV's system software to its original state, removing corrupted settings or firmware errors. Depending on the model, this may require pressing a combination of physical buttons on the TV while plugging it back in. Keep in mind that a factory reset will erase saved apps and settings. If none of these steps work, the issue is likely hardware related. At this point, the most common causes are a failed backlight, inverter board, or power supply board. These components usually require professional testing and replacement. If your TV is still under warranty, contact Sony support before attempting any internal repairs, as opening the TV can void coverage.